How's it going, guys? Really quickly, while I'm editing this video, I thought I would quickly point out that I am running a giveaway. So, I'm giving away a pair of 9-inch LED Lightfox spotties. So, super easy to enter. Drop down into the channel, find the video of the giveaway and drop a comment on that video. Watch the video, it's like 2 minutes, and that'll explain exactly how to enter. But yeah, I thought I'd just quickly squeeze that in. Also, there's a couple of things in this video that are unorthodox as far as a lift is concerned, and I want to touch on those, but in a later video. Also, the camera doesn't do it justice. It doesn't look like it's come up much, but if you pay attention mainly to the height of the side step in relation to the center of the wheel or the hub, then you'll really notice a difference. I'm super excited. Let's jump back into it. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to The Average Garage. Today's episode's pretty exciting because the Pajero Sport is finally getting lifted. I've been waiting ages to do this. I've been meaning to do it for so long, and today is finally the day. I'm down here at Malaga Suspensions. I hit up Corey a while ago through Messenger, and yeah, he was more than happy to help out. So yeah, today he's getting his boys to lift the car. I'm super excited because I'm sick of dragging the bash plates on rocks and bending side steps up into the side skirts and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, today it's finally getting lifted. I'm super pumped. We're gonna go meet Corey and the boys and yeah, chuck them the keys. We're gonna see what we can film during the process and yeah, hopefully get some decent shots. Yeah, and then we can do a bit of a review afterwards once it's lifted, and yeah, I've got some measurements from before, we'll get some measurements after, some shots, and see how we go. Alright, so the car just got pulled into the workshop, so I won't be able to film absolutely everything, but we'll try and get some step-by-step, like little intervals, and see how we go. Hopefully we can make something decent of it. But yeah, we'll get some little shots, some comparisons, and go from there. There she is, in the workshop. Alright guys, so I've had the suspension fitted from Corey at Malaga Suspensions. Thank you very much, mate. I super appreciate it, and I absolutely love the ride quality. It has improved tenfold. So the front has settled a little bit, but I still have the opportunity to wind it up, which I might do in the near future. But yeah, that's another episode. That's another later down the track. But for now, it rides absolutely beautifully. It's come up approximately 2 inches in the front still, and about 3 in the rear. So yeah, it's still sitting nice and pretty. I'm clearing a lot more obstacles without smashing the bash plates on every second thing. Super appreciative, super stoked that it's finally been done. Yeah, thank you very much again to Malaga Suspensions. Check them out if you're local and you need any suspension work done. They are the people to see. Yeah. So I'm absolutely stoked. I'm going to get out and start forward driving a bit more now that I'm not worried about cleaning my bash plates up on every second rock. And yeah, there's going to be plenty more forward drive content to come. So be sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all in the next episode. Cheers, guys.